So, connecting one cable, that's it. I have great news from this year's SPS. Life's getting easier, especially if you'd like to modernize your plant and turn it into a modern industrial Ethernet installation. You can now lay the cornerstone for digitalization to the field with the SIMATIC Compact Field Unit, simply called CFU. How does that work? Let me show it to you. The conventional PROFIBUS PA I/O approach was always a bit complex and time-consuming. With the CFU, you can now reduce your overall I/O footprint. On top of that, it's user-friendly and highly flexible. And PROFIBUS PA can also be part of modern Ethernet installations with only one Ethernet cable down to the field. Easy and fast, integrating devices doesn't need 30 minutes anymore. With a patented plug-and-produce functionality, it now only takes no more than 1 minute. I'd like to show you how you can easily connect the CFU directly via PROFINET. The CFU completely reinvents PROFIBUS PA. Imagine that you can connect thousands of field devices from all known manufacturers automatically. You can even exchange similar devices from different vendors without any configuration effort. That's plug and produce. Here we go. I unplug the old pressure transmitter and I plug in a new one. That's it. No manual address assignment, no address conflicts. With the CFU, I can relax. The address gets assigned automatically. And that works also for many devices in parallel. More highlights: the CFU comes with redundant power supply support, redundant communication and configuration in run. With the CFU and PROFINET, the traditional field bus approach has been completely rethought. PROFIBUS PA has never been easier than with the CFU. Thanks for your interest and feel free to contact us if you have any question. See you soon. Just one cable, that's it, so easy.